We at Orient Bell, we are the top tile manufacturer in ceramic and GVT tile, and currently we are standing at our Sikandrabad plant. My name is Manish Singh, and in Orient Bell I am working since 11 years. Before Traqo, for a reporting purpose from finance perspective, there is gap in visibility of the vehicle placement, gap in determining performance of transporter, supervisors, loading platforms, and obviously end customer was not satisfied with our TAT. We were wondering multiple solution with multiple vendors, but while evaluating multiple vendors, we came on a conclusion that Traqo is providing a good platform for evaluating every steps like gate entry, weighing system, and weighing time of loading time, and multiple things. That's why we have selected Traqo. Onboarding was very good. Traqo team was stations at our plant and studies our every processes. That's why it came very easy for us.
I am Anil Goyal. I am looking after logistic and warehouse. Traqo आने के बाद इसमें गेट एंट्री में कितना टाइम लगता है, उसके बाद लोडिंग में कितना टाइम लगता है, व्हीकल लोडिंग पॉइंट पे आने में कितना टाइम लगता है, और लोडिंग होने के बाद डॉक्यूमेंट हैंडओवर में कितना टाइम लगता है, और उसके बाद गेट आउट में कितना टाइम लगता है, ये सारी विजिबिलिटी हमारी ट्रैको आने के बाद ये हमारी सारी विजिबिलिटी आ गई, और इससे हमारा ऑपरेशन स्मूथ चल रहा है अभी.
Their team support, they are answering very quickly for any of the solution from any user, top to bottom. Yes, definitely.